A big Rockwell welcome to everybody who's attending this historic automation fair in Chicago. The work that we do in manufacturing, it matters. We have to be able to bring everything together in as simple a form as possible.
I'm very excited about the transformation that we continue to drive in this industry.
The world is changing fast, and we as an industry must too. That challenges us to think smarter about how we lead our teams and our organizations to achieve the results that we want them to achieve.
This is the next evolution of automation.